Welcome to the Union Leamington Spa, the ultimate destination for sophisticated student living in this charming town. Choose from contemporary ensuite rooms or chic studios, each crafted with comfort in mind. Enjoy a plush bed, a dedicated study area, and an ensuite bathroom that offers unparalleled. But that's not all. Relax with friends in the stylish communal lounge, take a stroll in the spacious courtyard, and enjoy your favorite shows with high-speed internet. Challenge your mates to a game of pool and take advantage of the convenient on-site laundry. With all utility bills included, your stay is both hassle-free and budget-friendly. Ideally situated near Arden University and the University of Warwick, commuting is a breeze. Indulge in global flavors at restaurants like 11 or Tavola and satisfy your caffeine cravings at Cafe Royal and Waf Waf Cafe. With excellent public transport links, navigating Leamington Spa is a cinch. Don't miss out. Head to amberstudent.com now to discover your perfect home at the Union Leamington Spa. Your exceptional student life begins here.